Benign refers to something that's not harmful. It describes anything that is gentle, mild, or non-threatening. In medical world, it's often used to describe tumors or conditions that are not cancerous, ones that aren't likely to cause any harm. Let's check out a quick video to understand it better.
The doctors told me that the tumour was benign.
The doctors told me that the tumor was benign. In this context, the word benign is a huge relief. A benign tumor is not cancerous. It doesn't pose any serious threat to health. It's non-malignant. It's not likely to cause death. But being benign isn't just for medical situations. Outside of medicine, it can describe anything that's harmless or non-threatening. It could be a situation, a person's behavior, or even the weather. Think of benign in terms of its synonyms: harmless, gentle, mild, favorable. Benign is primarily used as an adjective. Sometimes we also use the word benignant, which is another adjective, and sometimes we use the adverb benignly. However, its noun forms are very rare. You don't often hear the noun form of the word. It's really the adjective that gets most use. Let's have some examples here. He was relieved to find that the spider in his room was of a benign variety, posing no threat to humans. Her demeanor is always benign, making everyone in the office feel comfortable. The weather remained benign for our picnic, with sunny skies and a gentle breeze. The moderator benignly steered the discussion away from controversial topics. To summarize, benign means something that is not harmful or non-threatening. In medicine, it's used to describe conditions like non-cancerous tumors, but it also applies to everyday situations that are gentle and safe. Remember, benign and benignant are adjectives, while benignly is the adverb.